Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and in this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of GeoTarget and show you exactly how easy it is to do this. Before I get into it though, just to show you, I know that Sam mentioned about how much money we were making with our affiliate promotions using GeoTarget, and this is just one of the examples. This is from yesterday, where just in a single day we were able to sell more than $6,000 worth of copies and make more than $3,500 just by using this core concept as you see on this page. Actually, it says India right now because I'm in India, but I have just connected to a VPN, and now when you will see it soon, as it loads up, it will actually say United States. So because I'm traveling at the moment, I'm in India meeting our developer teams, talking about GeoTarget, which is why you see different terms, but now you would see United States. So let me take you inside of GeoTarget and show you how easy it is to set up profitable campaigns like these for yourself. Very first thing when you get in is GT snippets, GT redirects, and GT images. Do disregard this one, but have a look at GT snippets, exactly how it is and exactly how this works. So in case of GT snippets, you are able to create little snippets of text with text like this. So turn your store in the United States into an enterprise, or social movie hot sites works in the United States, or you can even include the city. And just by including that city or country, you are able to actually target people and get them to buy whatever you're selling and increase your conversions. So let's go in and create a new snippet, and let me walk you through exactly how easy it is to create one. So for example, I could do an example here. So I would call this sales demo, and I could type whatever text I wanted to here. So I could say this will work in your country. So in this case, your country would be at country tag, country as well. So once this is done, I could change the size, I could change the font. So in this case, I'm going to choose Arial. I'm going to raise the size to 36 pixels, and I'm going to make it, let's say, bold as well. Or let's not make this bold. Let's say we want this to be bold for emphasis, and I want this to be colored red as well. So this will work in country as well. Let me just make sure the spacing is fine so it looks good. All right, this will work in country as well. So thing is, when someone lands on the page now, they will see that message. In fact, I'm just going to create it and show you how easy it is to embed this as well. When I've just created one, it's called sales demo. It says not embedded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show embed code. This is the embed code that I need to copy and paste. So I'm going to copy this, and on this page, as you can see, it says turn your store in United States into enterprise. I'm going to change this, and I'm going to put the code right over here. So now we're in my optimized press. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the script in this one, and I'm going to come back and continue with the video once that script is saved. So as you can see, the script right here is saved. I'm just going to click on insert, and it's going to insert the new JavaScript element. Let's save and close this so that that post can be updated and refreshed. This is how easy it is. If you have anything that accepts HTML, you could use GeoTarget for yourself, and you could create geo-targeted messages as well. Now let's go back here and refresh this and see how this text right over here will change into something completely different that we have created. So when I refresh this page, you can see that this text message now says this will work in the United States as well, which is good because if my customers are coming from United States, I want to show them exactly that it works for them. Now we've used the same concept inside of Facebook as well. Again, I just had set up these pages before I started doing this video, but as you can see, are you looking for the perfect restaurant in Phoenix, United States, and this other one, find your soulmate in Phoenix, United States. Some very powerful examples when it comes to using GeoTarget for your campaigns. Now what I also want to do is actually go in and show you the next part of this, which is GeoTarget redirects. Now GeoTarget redirects is very easy to use and very effective in multiple situations, and especially when you're running CPA campaigns, for example, where you get paid depending on what kind of traffic you're driving. For example, some CPA companies don't accept traffic other than United States. To them, you can drive traffic only from United States if so you choose. Let me show you how easy it is to set up new redirects depending on where people are coming from. In this version, you only get two additional landing pages, but you can get more in the upgrade. So let me create another one here. So this could be sales demo 3, and this is the URL that is generated for me. The default landing page could be, for example, in this case, google.com, and the landing page URL 1 could be, let's say in this case, 1links.com. net, which is one of our other products. In this case, I want to target anyone who lands from United States, and I want to send them over to onelinks.net. But if people come in from, say, the UK, I want to send them to geotarget.rocks/sales. So I want to send anyone who comes from the UK to this page. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to pick another link, which would be United Kingdom, and I'm done. When I create this redirect has been created. Now I can use this one and I can redirect people based on where they're coming from. So when I open this in another video, you'll see how easy it is for me to automatically redirect someone to the page for United States. Right now it goes over there, but if I was in the UK, it would actually go to the GeoTarget page, which again at the moment is not set up, but you'll see how easy it is. But if it is a third country, then the page just goes to Google. In fact, let me change my location right now and let me show you how that works. Okay, I'm back in India right now, so you will see here that when I refresh this page, actually not this one, instead I want to click this again. So I want to go into sales demo 3, and when the redirect goes through, as you can see now, it goes over to Google because that's where the redirect is now leading to. So I can choose two different kinds of additional redirects. Of course, there's the default redirect. So if someone doesn't come from one of these two countries or multiple selection, I could do multiple selection, then they'll be redirected to the default landing page, meaning you don't ever lose them. Let me give you another example right here. So this is something that we had created. It was a dating site example to show you how effective this is depending on where people are coming from. So when I look for that, it says, are you looking for your soulmate in your city, India? This, by the way, is very, very cool because it could have, usually when sometimes there's no city, this is left as blank, but we've left it as default value your city, so at least it still appeals to people. Now it went to this particular page. If I was in some other country, it would go to a different page and so on. Very, very powerful feature. The third part of this package is GT images, geo-targeted images. You can guess what that means, but I want to show you exactly how that works, first by example, and then show you step by step exactly how easy it is to use it and what kind of results you can expect from this. So let's go to that domain, getyourspecialoffer.com. As you can see, there's nothing over here at all. Let me pause the video and let me switch over to US. Alright, now as you can see, I'm in US, and as you'll be able to see now, when I refresh this page, you will see a completely different image on the right hand side, which is again something that we have configured, and I'm going to show in again very shortly and show you how to configure that yourself. So I'm just going to wait for the page to refresh. There you go. I love New York. Do you love New York? And this again, I will only see if I'm in United States, but if I'm in another country, another city of United States, another state, I could put some other text right over there. So let me go into GeoTarget images and show you how easy it is to create one of these yourselves. First things first is you want to select GeoTarget image so you can start inputting one. Let's call this sales demo image 1. Attach to URL. Now this is not mandatory, but what you can do is you can attach that image to a URL. So if someone clicks on it, you could redirect them to whatever link you want. The cool thing here is, which is again something that we haven't quite talked about just yet, but if you were to connect GeoTarget redirects and images together, you could basically take the GeoTarget redirect code and then associate it with an image. So if people click on that image and they're coming from the US, they'll go to a different place. If they click on the image, which again can be conditioned to where they're coming from, and if they then click, say, the UK, they could go over there. But let's just give this one Facebook.com at the moment and just say hello to country. This is the text message, but first we need an image file. So let me go and get one for you. So let's pick an image here so that we can associate it with some text and we can get that moving. Let me just pick nacho here. All right, this is an image I downloaded, so I could put whatever text in here. So for example, what I could do here is I could put in some text like, let's just put the country tag first, and let's add let's just make sure. Okay, do you eat nachos in do you eat nachos in this country, right? I could raise the text, I could increase the text and text size, and I could move this a bit here. Let's change the color as well to, let's say, red, bright red. Say create, and that image is done. It is created. The next thing is what I have to do is click on show embed code. Once I have this embed code, just like I did before, I will put it inside Optimize Press. Once it's done, it will show me something like I just need to go in and verify, and when I verify, you will see something like this. So it will tell you that the snippet code, or in this case the image code, has been verified successfully, and you can now start running campaigns such as this and show them whatever you want and hyperlink it to whatever you want. It's a very easy to use web-based application, so you don't need to worry about anything. And like I told you, you can see the results right within Facebook by using something like this.